back to Miss Carol's. Okay, so after you learn how to cut this, if you don't know, I like to do this with. Oh, my bad. We just take the little sheds things off. So weird. And look at that. It's so plain. Let me try. I never tried. I always cook these, but let me try it. Not bad, but not flavorful. Oopsies, I forgot I put salt on them. Okay. And I'm gonna show you how to clean this. Oh, don't get in that little crack. I'm gonna show you how to clean this stuff up and this, and I'll show you how to cook. Oh, I'll show you how to cook this. Okay, so let me show you what you do with these, right? You just cut them. Just cut them like normal. Like that. Do not mind my hands. I've been doing this for a freaking hour. She was singing in a minute, and I'm like, what the fuck? You're in class. Just keep cutting them off.
I feel assaulted.
The middles are so better than whatever you eat on the outside. Now, this is whatever you have left. Like, this stuff is like, look like puke, you know? Just remind me, like, by the way, the seeds, like the goopy things, like this. Like, this stuff is so freaking fun to play with. Like, you can't blame me. Okay, so now you're gonna take a cup.
Yep.
A cup. And I want you guys to all try this at home, because if you don't, it's whatever you do. You know, I can't force you to do it. Just okay. By the way, she's gonna film another video how to, I don't know what the next thing we have to cut up in my refrigerator. So yeah, that's the grossest thing I've ever seen. Now
Don't get on my pants! You.
Now you're just gonna clean this.
You did see that? Was it just inspecting what that thing?
You're gonna take this ugly soap that I use. Look how satisfying. Now, that's not all we use.
Got soapy fingers, Daddy.
I need you to hold this plate.
This is wood, not
Whatever, I call it a plate. I can call it whatever. It's mine. And you just... It makes it smell. Okay. Just make sure you get the excess soap off.
okay.
Do not clean wood like this, guys. It's so bad. Okay. Now, after you have your guts, put those guts. You're good. Because of your guts. That is so gross, you know?
Give my phone.
You're gonna shake it. Now, you're gonna... and salt in here. Good. It's so good. It's so healthy. and everything. And yes, you guys are allowed to come stalk my house one day.
That's what you
Okay.
think.
This is the best stuff you use ever. So she's gonna post this, and I'll find something else that I'm gonna make and show you how to how to do.
And the video is gonna stop in 3, 2, 1.